Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And very, very nice movement today. This will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos, but finally separated away from this very annoying level down there at right around the 31 cent mark. So nice sign of strength on the bulls part there. First thing I'm going to do though is just get rid of that line down there. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible going forward. The first update though that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 32 cents was the level of resistance going into today, but now with the price up above it, that would be the ideal level of support. Ideal meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Ideally, if the price can stay above 32 cents, that would be great. But don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below 32, then that automatically means the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. Again, yeah, preferably staying above it, that would be great. But by no means is it a do or die level or anything like that. Looking at things from a broader picture, that is where the purple line comes into play, which on my chart denotes the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the movement. That right there I'm defining as the movement. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price continues to stay above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 32 would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above the purple line, that would be, that's the ideal situation. As far as where the sellers are at, next key battleground right up there at about 0.328, give or take, or if you want to just round it up to 33 cents, that would work too. But more specifically, 0.238 is more an accurate term. But really, resistance levels don't matter. What matters the most is what the price has continued to do recently, and that is this right here. Just chip away and build higher bases, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps are continuing to be building in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.